At Dataai, we offer premium signals to maximize alpha. As part of the investment team, you currently struggle with visibility into a company's full line of business. The data that is available is fragmented, doesn't stitch together easily, or requires a lot of manual processing. With our proprietary hierarchy, analyze global performance estimates for all apps under a parent company. We unify app estimates across device types, countries, and subsidiaries. Armed with this valuable data, you can build a comprehensive view of any company's performance. For example, not only is Amazon in e-commerce, but they are also in video streaming, grocery, smart devices, and more. We help you roll up and break down each business line and their respective apps to get a holistic view of Amazon's mobile landscape. Dataai unifies a company's mobile performance data to streamline your due diligence.